Hi viewers, I'm Bunyamin. At first, cordial salam. I hope you are well almighty. I wanna talk to with you server monitoring system. At first, what is server monitoring? Actually, server monitoring system it's a process monitoring the performance ability of the server. Like that, physical, virtual, to ensure their smooth operational and timely identification any issue. It involves tracking various metrics such as CPU or memory utilization, disk space, network and traffic responsible try. Server monitoring like that. I have one question for you. What is important or why use a company server monitoring system? We have discussed the many advantages, but I fix a few advantages need server monitoring system is industry. At first, we are select performance optimization. Monitoring servers allow administrative identification or resource process enabling then optimization server performance and ensure effect on resource allocated. So need performance optimization. Then second, third, second troubleshooting a route analyzing. For three, capability planning. By the monitoring server resource utilize over time, administrative can future resource requirement and the plan for capability upgrades or adjustment. It helps ensure that server can handle without compromise performance. Security monitoring, nowadays security ensure in the world a big challenge. Server monitoring including monitoring tools the security related event and its enable administrative identification. Overall, the server monitoring is a casual maintaining stable effect secure server infrastructure. Hmm, I select not only select, I note down a project paper for normal paper like that project management draft. You will see the server monitoring system. I use uh, few tool. Then recently it's working there. You must know the Grafana. Grafana is best monitoring tool. Note exporter. You know, if you want to depths of security or depths of developer or cyber security, SOC, SIM, security, learner. So you know Grafana, you know Node Explorer, Exporter. You also know. Actually, we are see a graph, a architecture part. Private server, Grafana, target. Target means they have a mini servers, the Linux servers, Docker server, Kubernetes servers, Windows server, and etc servers. It's a not issue that each target, like that endpoint or as an is a targets. That is the server, and show up the Grafana is an actor. Actor means the analyst, architect, like that. We are the actor access 300 port. It's a 9090 port. At the first, the I want to Linux server. I want to monitoring the Linux server. First, the target, this tool, this Grafana show up. But they're all architecture when combine a server, we make a server, then to work fast and capability, show out the capability. Let's go the how this work and how this discuss. It's only theory based, not practical based. Actually, I wanna talk to with us some discussion part. That is IP information, basic information. Then machine name, machine IP, subnet marks, gateway, DNS, like that. At first, a requirements to kind of hardware, software requirement. Hardware requirement is the RAM 4 GB. Okay. Storage 50 GB, it's enough. The first 80 level. Requirement software. Yeah. Architect design a mini voice, but I design my methodology. Then software requirement, I have a select CentOS, Docker Composer, server tool, Grafana, of OpenSSH. OpenSSH is actually okay. You know, SSH is the new concept. PAM, It's not SSH concept, but this concept is PAM. PAM, permission access, permission control management. Then SSH is like that. It's a server, monitoring server. It's a client PC. Client PC mean your PC. Then when you connect to port, then SSH, it's a secure connect to SSH. The other side, the open port, you must be requirement. The CentOS has a firewall D, have a firewall. Then it's allow port 9090, allow port 3000, allow port 9100 is needs node exporter. Then we are select the development part. Development part is a most important. The first step, I select VM creation, IP setup, internet permission. Do you internet permission when you a firewall community like that? You have a industrial environment. It's internet. I select ISP. It's your router. It's firewall. It's server. Server means server monitoring system, server or PC. It's client PC. It's another server. Firewall have a two lane, one lane, another lane, another lane. ISP connect router, router connects firewall. That means all on its lane. We are internet permission. The topic is internet permission. It's need to master it to internet permission, because when you allow you LAN port server to connection your client PC, then connect your server, otherwise not. That is otherwise not internet. Is the control a network administrator. Then allow, then server allow, server you connection a server, everything, you connection a internet, you connection a risk capability. It must know how already job market the industry, you know the land connection, but you when you try to local lab, it's not necessary, but when you try to the industrial lab, it's must necessary. Okay, then Docker install, you come on your internet, you say easy. Docker Composer install, track and snapshot. You know the snapshot is a good idea. Take a snapshot is a good idea, cause like that your development this pass is complete. Take a snapshot. You have installed, then install Docker. Install other another composer. Then take a snapshot. One snapshot. Two snapshot. This means when you need I no need Docker, but this snapshot management and try you have a fresh OS. When you need it, then need another tools is the wrong, but take a snapshot. Your environment not a destroy. You take a you took snapshot. Then code writing. The first step, the code writing must be code writing, because you Docker YAML code or like that another code. You write a code writing. It's put up a GitHub. Code clone or code transfer, code run, firewall allow, external firewall. The OS firewall must be allow the select put or fixed put. Then configuration, troubleshooting, web interface like that. Its most development part. Server monitoring system is a theory based. The video is I think it's a big, but it's a discussion part. I'm a new content creator of English, so my language is not a good but technical language. I think I cover a technical language. Then I think it's a uh, day by day better for like that now. Thank you.